Bailey, and today I am going to be teaching you how to make
chocolate-covered pretzels.
Chocolate-covered pretzels. So, the things that you would need are
First you melt the chocolate.
You're going to need pretzels. You're going to need chocolate. And you're going to need sprinkles and a cookie sheet and a bowl and a spoon. So, the first thing that you have to do is get your bowl and cut your chocolate and put it in a bowl. And then you'll put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then
stir it.
You stir it
30 seconds.
For 30 seconds. And then
30 seconds more.
30 seconds more. And then
until it's melted.
And then you'll get your pretzels out and put them in the white chocolate. So you will dip them in the chocolate. And then just like she's doing right here, she's dipping them in. And then here are the pretzels. So now you're going to take your sprinkles and you're going to sprinkle them on the cookie sheet, because when you dip them in, you're going to have to set them on the cookie sheet, and then you're going to have to sprinkle your sprinkles on, just like I'm doing right now. Make sure to not cover it all the way. You only need to cover it a little bit, like I'm doing.
And you're getting a lot.
And then the chocolate could become hard, so you have to kind of do it quickly, but not too quick that you're in a rush.
Bailey, stop.
Yeah, there's a lot. But so you sprinkle them on, not too much, like I said. And then, what do you have to do?
Then you have to wait for them to set.
Then you have to wait for them to set, and then they'll be good. So, I think these are good for Christmas because they have Christmas sprinkles on them. So that is how you make pretzels with chocolate. And thanks for watching my video.